Tired of rigid, inflexible C++ code? Imagine writing a single line that can magically adapt to perform different actions based on the object according to its interactivity. That's the power of C++ polymorphism. This video will not just explain you. It is going to show you about how virtual functions and abstract classes unlock truly extensible and elegant program design. This video is going to explain about from basic objects to advanced architectural programming. So this is all about C++ polymorphism, which we are going to learn. So in today's video, we are going to learn about polymorphism and the first type of polymorphism, that is nothing but compile time polymorphism. So let's get started. So our today's topic is compile time polymorphism. So before getting started, first let us get to know about what is polymorphism. Definition of a polymorphism is nothing but, let's divide that word into two parts. First one is poly, second one is morph. Poly means many and morph means forms. In C++ programming, we are going to learn about many forms. So there are two types of polymorphisms which we use in C++ programming. First type of polymorphism is known as compile time polymorphism, and second type of polymorphism is known as runtime polymorphism. So in first video, we are going to cover about what is a compile time polymorphism used in C++ programming. In the next video, we are going to learn about runtime polymorphism in C++ programming. So first one is compile time polymorphism. So what is a compile time polymorphism? Compile time polymorphism is a function. Okay, it is related to a function, and the topic which we are learning right now is known as function overloading. Function overloading is a type of compile time polymorphism. So what is a function overloading? Before getting there, let's talk about compile time polymorphism in simple words. Compile time means when our program is being translated into the machine code. That is known as a compile time. At that time, the computer gets to know about how many forms are there inside the program before execution. That is nothing but when we compile the whole code, when we complete the whole code, and when we compile it to check whether there are any errors or not. At that time, we get to know about compile time polymorphism. It means that how many forms are there of a function. So in which we are going to learn about function overloading. So what is function overloading? Function overloading definition. Okay, so definition is a function having different number of or type of arguments having the same name is nothing but function overloading. Example, let's say I'm going to create a function name as addition. Okay, so in polymorphism, a function having same name, but different number of or type of arguments. For example, I have created a function named addition function. First function is a default function having no parameters. Second one is a parameterized function which is having a single parameter which is of data type integer. Third function is also add, which consists of two parameters a and b. Let's say we create one more function having a single parameter, but instead of integer data type, it's of double data type. This process is nothing but a compile time polymorphism. That is function overloading. Function having same name but different number of or type of arguments. So let's create functions of these. First one is integer add. In integer add, it is nothing but it is not having any parameters. It means that we need to take input from the user, right? Integer a comma b, c out, enter two integers, c in, a, b. Then we are just returning the value to the user, a plus b. So this is all about addition function where it is going to return the value. Second one was integer add having one parameter, that is a. Integer add having parameter a. So it already have a value. So what we need to do in this program, we need to ask for a single variable, single value. Enter an integer. Okay, let's say we are going to create a variable here as b, enter an integer, afterwards we are going to return it. C in b, as we already have value of a, so we are going to return the addition of both the numbers. So this is about having a single parameter. Let's say the third one is integer add integer a comma integer b. In this, what's happening, we are going to return the addition of both the numbers. So having same names, as we can see, having same names, but what's the difference? The difference is number of all type of arguments, that is nothing but parameters. First one is having no parameter, second one is having a parameter which is a single, and third one is having a double parameter. And the last one was like, we have created one more, both are having single parameter. That's not allowed, but it is still accepted because they are having different data types which we can differentiate. That is all about a compile time polymorphism, that is function overloading. Let's create variables result1, result2, result3. Now result1 is equal to addition function. What will happen? Result1, addition function will be called out, as we know about function call. If you haven't watched my function call videos, that is nothing but function in C programming, make sure to watch it. You will get to know why we have done function call inside the variable. You will get to know it easily. So we have called out the addition function. As we know, it is going to return the addition value and it will be stored inside result1. Next one is result2 equals to add. Let's say I have sent 5 value inside it. So what it will do, it will ask us for another value and then it will give us the result. And last one is result3. In result3 we are going to give 2 values, that is 5 comma 15. Now we have to display the values. For that we use the output function, that is cout result1, that is result1. Next one, let's go on new line, cout result2, result2 and L, cout result3, result3 and L. So I am right now executing the code to check whether it is going to be executed or not. It has performed successfully, right? So what is happening here? So first one is call of addition function having no parameters, right? So it will ask us for 2 numbers. Let's give him 2, enter 2, which will stored inside a and b, and it will return the addition value, which is 4 value, which will be stored inside result1 variable. In result2, what is happening? We have already given one value, that is 5, so it is asking us for a single value.